Where's the extinguisher? Mounted properly. Right, we are back finally working on the S13 after a while. The S15's done for now-ish, so now we can finally dive back in to working on the S13. I can't remember what I showed last. I don't know if this body kit was on it, maybe. But yeah, so this is a Origin kit that I got from Corporal, and it's all fitted up. Today we're going to be installing Overfenders the right way. I've seen a lot of people with their silicon jobs and putting screws in it, and oh man, terrible. So we're going to be welding it, and I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Oh, shit. So this will annoy some people, but these are actually unrolled S13 guards. And why are we doing that? Well, and that is because it is your own car and you can do whatever you want. Now to do this, you are going to need a welder, grinder, hammer and pliers, painter's tape and a Nico, weld through primer, your overfenders of choice, your local S13 guy that's done it recently. So your first step is you want to get tape on your quarter. You want to find here where the flat spot meets. So you want to find right where the line is of your quarter. Mark it on the other side with your tape and your pen, and then use your overfender there to find where your curve is going to go and trace it out. Oh man. Oh, first cut.
I forgot, there's a bit of foam behind the quarter panel you got to take out. Otherwise your car will catch on fire.
We'll keep that in there so you guys don't do the same thing. I'm also going to add this to what you need just in case.
2 hours later.
Where's the extinguisher?
Move all this crap out of here.
Alrighty, so super flammable. Let's
Especially that.
yeah, let's not catch the car on fire today. So I don't know if that camera's picking up, but it's starting to smoke. We've got this one just in case. So that is that first skin cut away. Now this is the one that we want to fold back.
So yeah, we're just going to cut some slits in here to help stretch the metal. We're just going to hammer that up and then grind that down, and then just start tacking it all the way and then seal it up. Cut them too deep. Last time I did it, I went real deep, and then just wasn't welded right, so there's too much of a gap. So you can always cut more.
Alrighty, so that's where you want it all to look. Again, not going all the way to the top, so you've still got a bit of a gap, so it welds nicely.
Start zapping away.
Time to bust out the welder. So definitely recommend using gas if you got a gas welder. This is just gasless because that's all I got, but the weld's looking pretty average, but nothing a grinder can't fix at the end of the day. Slow process, just
Blowing holes in it, you know.
blowing holes in it, just doing a bit of a time. Yeah, look at those welds, they're beautiful. Cut a bit to fit the welder in, just want to seal that whole edge along, and then yeah, we'll flap a disc and make it look pretty.
You never know once the overfender's on.
You'll never, exactly, there's getting an overfender on it anyway, so getting through it. Quick break because Jack's hungry. Hungry Jack's for a hungry Jack. Jack's beautiful welds here.
Yeah, I blame the welder.
Now we're gonna make them look pretty. Kinda makes me the welder that I am not. Let's fix all these up. 215.
We're getting there, we're nearly finished welding it up and grinding, so yeah, stay tuned guys.
Looking beautiful. Look at those dimes all gone. Now it's just back. Now it's basically what you want, and then we're gonna use like a seam sealer, but first we'll chuck some primer over it to seal it. Get some seam sealer, and that is how you do it properly. Looking pretty good actually. So getting way too overboard for this car, but do it properly. So you get your gal spray, carefully mask up your pride and joy, because you don't want that overspray. Oh, all on the glass.
Yeah, the overspray.
Yeah, the overspray. This side's all been sealed. Use proper body sealant as well, don't just use Sicko, do it properly. Anyway, that's sealed, gonna wait for that to dry before we mount this, and I'm gonna start on the other side and probably just throw a time lapse in or something, so yeah, see you at then. Where is it?
It's up in the top corner. I see it.
I can't even see it, man. So the car just caught on fire. Had to race to my room to grab my camera. Obviously had to film it before putting it out, and I missed it anyway, but yeah, that was nearly bad. So it turns out there was still some more. I thought I got all of it, but there was still some, and as you can see, that just caught fire. Bit of smoke still coming out, holy. Yeah, Jack burned his finger.
Yeah, saved the day, mate. Saved the car.
He did. He saved my pride and joy. That's actually nice. That bit. Don't look at the rest of it. But, you know, you gotta learn.
Yeah, you're getting there.
That's what this car's about. Just about learning things that I haven't done but wanted to do. So it's not the prettiest. Doesn't help that it doesn't have gas, but I don't think the gas is gonna save me. Oh fuck! Shit! Fuck, where's the extinguisher?
Yeah, rip it out.
Now that is the best investment. It's like 20 bucks. And that just saved my S13. Fuck. So that nearly went up in flames. Yeah. Good investment. Good eyes from Jack. He spotted it. I was welding away. I didn't even notice. Oh. This is all dried now, sealed. It's actually really done a really good job.
Yeah, not on board, mate.
Yeah, big dog on the job here. So now that it's sealed properly, we're just gonna mount this for now. Look at that, looks bloody awesome. I'm gonna leave it unpainted and I'll paint it later. We just want to get it mounted. Alright, so this side's all done. Mounted properly, looks sick. I'm still going on the other side, so probably going to just leave it there. I'll show you how I'm going. As you can see, it's getting a bit dark. But yeah, so we've got this side all mounted, riveted in, fully sealed, and it's actually come out really well. The other side, I'm just gonna finish tomorrow because it's getting late and my neighbors already hate me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Only set the car on fire once, so if you ask me, that's a win. But in all seriousness, like, it's all sealed properly, body sealing, all welded up. Jack did an amazing job on this side, but yeah, it's come out really well. It's all mounted professionally with some rivets. Obviously I'm going to paint it, but we're just mounting it for now. That little lip that's on the Overfender is going to get cut. But as you can see, it's all fully sealed. If I wanted to be crazy, I could run like a Raptor liner or something in it, but yeah, that's all sealed. Looking pretty good. Oh, and the best part is everyone always mucks this up and it annoys me. Look at that, doesn't foul at all. Mounted properly. So this thing is looking pretty good. Nice and wide. Now I can become famous on TikTok because I've got wide body car. Oh my god. But no, I'm very happy with that. So yeah. And as I said, I'm still going on the other side. Just finished welding basically. I'm just finding like some pinholes. And then I'm going to do the grinding tomorrow, seam sealer, and then I'm just going to mount this one here. But thanks heaps for watching once again. I hope you learnt something. I did. I learned how to weld. I learned that I'm not good at welding, but no, I'm happy with it. It's a cool car to learn on. That's the whole point of this car. I don't mind if I muck it up because I'm just learning. I'd rather do it on that than on the 15 or the 8.6. So always feel awkward when I say it, but Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, heaps.
I wanna spend my